Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how we'll apply loan using Gloan inside the Gcash app. This tutorial is straight to the point, so just follow everything I say. Let's begin now. Step 1. Open Gcash app. Make sure it's fully verified first. Step 2. Look for Gloan. It's under Borrow on the dashboard. Step 3. Tap Gloan icon. You'll see if you're eligible already. Step 4. Check loan offer. Review amount, interest, and your due dates. Step 5. Tap Get Started. If offer looks good, proceed now. Step 6. Enter your purpose. Choose loan purpose like bills or shopping. Step 7. Review loan terms. Final amount, duration, and total repayment. Step 8. Agree to terms. Tick all boxes to continue next. Step 9. Tap Submit now. This final step confirms your application. Step 10. Wait for approval. It usually takes just a few minutes. Step 11. Loan gets disbursed. Money goes directly to your Gcash wallet. Step 12. Check loan status. Track balance inside the Gloan section. Step 13. Pay before due. Use Gcash to repay and avoid penalties. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Gel Tolentino. Subscribe right here and feel free to check out my other channels too. Got a tutorial you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. See you on the next one.